Dash, where are you? I'm right here. Hello there, ladies and jellyfish. This is Dash, Thomas, and Mr. Panda Pizza from Elevators of 14S, coming to you from Sector 15D. Do the honors, Dash. Okay. These are going to be the Palm Wing elevators of the Shades of Green AFRC Resort Hotel in Bay Lake, Florida. This place is restricted access. You have to be a member of the United States military in order to stay here. The Schindler MT500A has spoken. I want to say these are on the M Series logic. Very nice leveling. Look at this. Kind of see out the shaft a little bit. We're at the ground, or the first floor. I think another car is here. Oh, this one is. Oh, sorry. Oh, maybe not. But look at that. You can kind of see the end. I think there might be working on this. Not sure. Whatever the case, the shaft light is on. This one over here. Let's get the view of the indicator from this side this time. Shakes a little wet. Again, very nice cab. This was renovated in, I want to say, 2016. I honestly don't know when this was renovated, though. See, it's the last car down here. Yes, it is, so we're gonna let that one go. Oh, that one already. Yeah, we'll go ahead and send this one up. Oh, look at that. Shaft light's on. Didn't know you can see it that clearly. See, where's that one going? That one's on 3.
12 o'clock midnight.
Sorry.
Alright.
Come on. Here we are, 2. Little advertisement here. I managed to get a hotel tour of this place. Oh, that's them. Are y'all going down? They all are. Have a great day. One up or down, sir?
Up.
Okay. So we have door problems.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Which one are you going to?
3. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. I'm just an elevator enthusiast, don't mind me.
Okay. You a YouTuber?
Yep, I am actually.
Cool.
Here you are.
Yep, thanks. Have a good one.
You too, sir. If you've ever seen the vertical misbehavior compilation, that button wasn't there last time. one's kind of falling out. That door motor sounds like it's struggling a bit. 107.20. Kind of classic level. I'm kind of shocked people have MTV on. Look at that. Alright, 5. Let's take a look at the guest folder. I'm up here. I will try to do a proper hotel tour. But I'm not really sure if I'll be able to or not. Very nice view from up here. Here's the bridge, little island down there. Oh, phone was already open. I got empty fixtures. What the heck, we're stopping on 2. Going down?
Well, you can go ahead and go down.
Yep. I'm just an elevator enthusiast, don't mind me. Don't worry, you're not on camera. Have a great day, sir.
I'm going back up.
Oh, okay. Have a great day. I guess that'll be it for this round.